Hello viewers, and welcome to the first episode of K-Smart's Reviews and Rants Season 3. Today's review I'm doing is one of the most best and classic movies I've ever saw as a kid, Chicken Run. The story is about the protagonist, Ginger, and the other chickens escaping from Mr. and Mrs. Tweedy's farm. That's what the story is about. Along with the help with Rocky the Rooster, who had an accident while flying over the farm. And also the two mice. I forgot what their names were. The villains in this movie is Mr. Tweedy and Mrs. Tweedy. Like I said from my other video, Mr. Tweedy is alright in my opinion, but Mrs. Tweedy, I will always hate her with a passion. Especially of the scene where she killed a chicken. That scene was heart-wrenching too, but made me infuriated. That woman, so sadistic and mean-spirited. Anyway, let's talk about the scenes what I love the most. Let's see here. Oh yeah, Ginger and Rocky dancing get together. Rocky saving Ginger from the pie machine. Oh, the mud fight scene where this one chicken Punch Fowler, the old chicken. I gotta admit, that part was just hilarious. The chickens using Mr. and Mrs. Tweedy's tools to build a plane. I guess that's what it is. I don't know what it is, to be honest. And I like the part where the chickens fight Mr. Tweedy back. Well, I knew Ginger and the chickens had the courage to fight back. Rocky returning to the farm and changed his mind to going back to the circus he used to be at to save Ginger. After defeating Mrs. Tweedy, Rocky and Ginger kissed. And the last one, the ending. That was so beautiful. I was super proud when the chickens got their freedom. Even the mice were relaxing and enjoying their freedom too. This is the most adoring and classic movies I will ever watch forever. Excluding Mrs. Greedy. So then, comment below if you ever enjoyed this movie as a kid. Catch you guys later. See ya!